Okay, tonight here in Zone 9, we're supposed to be getting down in the 40s. So I had to hurry up and after I came home from work today and uprooted all of my bell pepper plants. Because didn't want them to freeze out there. And bring them in here on my back porch. I harvest most of the bigger bell peppers that were on the plant. And I still have a few that's still little that I'm still gonna let them continue to grow. I'm gonna repot these. I have some over here that were growing outside. I brought them in. See if I can save them. Winterize them. Winterize these here on the back porch. And see if I can still grow some bell peppers here on the back porch and see what they're gonna look like for spring. See if they can hold out here for spring. I'm gonna trim out some of the dead leaves on them. You can see they were telling me, come and get me out there. It's cold. You can see the leaves were swiveling up. They say they cold out there. I have some over here. I'm gonna see how many I can save. They say don't leave me out there. Okay. This one over here may be look like it may be dead. It's my habanero one. And I'm gonna see if I can save it. I think I had one that was still growing on there. Let's see, where is it? Where you at? Or did you fall off in the move? Oh, I don't see you. Oh, there you are. There you are, right there. You're still trying to grow. Okay. Okay, habanero. I'm gonna repot you here and see if you're gonna continue to grow for us. Okay. Got a busy night. Repotting my bell pepper plants. And winterize them here on the back porch. We're getting ready to have some cold weather this week. Okay, look at the nice roots still on this bell pepper plant. And this one still has some bell peppers growing on it. And it still has some blooms, so I gotta save it. I'm gonna put it in this 5-gallon bucket here. I added some bone meal. I'm gonna put some more water around the roots here and fill it in with this soil and prop it up. Give me a little bamboo stake or one of my tomato cages and put it around it to hold it up. And see if it can continue to grow these bell peppers for me. And enjoy the back porch until spring. Okay, bell pepper plant. Look at you, still got some blooms on you. I saved you from the cold. Now you gotta continue to grow. And then I'll put you back out again in the spring. Okay, I have one of the bell pepper plants repotted and staked up. Got a tomato cage around it to kind of support it. This is the one that still has some of the bell peppers still growing on it. And it still has some blooms on it. So let me see if it's gonna continue to grow on the back porch here. I added some more soil around it, some bone meal, watered it in, gave it a little trim, cut off a lot of the dead leaves on it. It's even perked up even more now. It's saying thank you. It's so warm on this back porch. The leaves done open up. They saying they happy to be inside. Yes, they are. Now continue to grow. Continue to grow. Now this is one down. I have several more to do tonight. continue to grow. Some bigger bell peppers for us, and winterize you here on the back porch and survive until spring. And I put you back out in the soil so you can grow us some more bigger and beautiful bell peppers. Okay, this is the next contestant that's gonna get repotted. Another bell pepper that I uprooted from outside, brought inside to winterize it and hope it survives and come back out in the spring. Okay, let's get you into this pot here. Look at all them nice roots. I couldn't leave you out there to freeze. Had to save you. Okay. Give you a nice little trim, cut some of the bad leaves off of you, and repot you too. Okay, let's get busy. Let's get busy repotting another bell pepper plant. Okay, another one looking good. I repotted this bell pepper plant as well. Gave it a nice trim, cut off all the bad leaves off of it. And as I was cutting the leaves off, I noticed there's a bell pepper growing there. Look at that. And look at the blooms on here, right here. Okay, bell pepper plant. And look, another little bell pepper trying to grow there. Okay, bell pepper plant. There's some more blooms coming out on it. Continue to grow. And some more bell peppers. And look like it's enjoying being inside too, because this leaves start opening up. And as I gave it some water and some bone meal, it said, thank you for bringing me inside too. Okay, continue to grow. Some beautiful bell peppers for us. Okay, I decided I'm just gonna get rid of these two. They had too many bad leaves on them, and I'm noticing something growing here on the bark of the plant that I don't like the look of. Had some nice roots, but they have a lot of bad leaves. And then I see some little bell peppers was growing on them too. But I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to throw you guys in the trash. This is the one that grew the little small bell peppers this season anyway. It never produced any of the bigger size ones. I see some, oh, look at that one. I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna have to get rid of you guys. What you think, guys? What is that growing on the bark of this plant? I don't like the look of that. None of the other ones had that on it. I think I'm just gonna get rid of these two. Sorry. Okay, I repotted the habanero pepper plant. Let's see if it's gonna grow back. I'm depending on you, little fella. You're the only one still growing there. So I hope the rest of the ones that still have some of the green leaves on it will produce some more habanero peppers. Okay, I also went ahead and picked up a tray of the cabbage transplants. I think it's about 6 of them in here. I picked these up from Lowe's. It's the, what is it called? The Bunny Best Cabbage. It's a hybrid. I went ahead and picked these up because my ones that I planted from seeds, they haven't gotten as big as these are. And so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and pot these up into some bigger container pots until I can get them outside, because I know they probably can't wait to get out of this small space that they're in right now. And I haven't amended my beds outside yet that I want to plant them in. So until I get them outside, I'm going to go ahead and put them into some bigger container pots. And the ones that I sold from seed, I'm going to hurry up and once I get my beds mended, I'm going to plant those out in raised beds and into some container pots as well. So this is my cabbage that I'm going to be growing this season. Hope y'all gonna enjoy the winter weather and grow big cabbages for us.